Well friends, here is problem number 34. So the given question is 12, 35, 6, colon, 18, 43, 24, double colon, question mark, colon, 16, 41, 58. And the given four options are 14, 37, 52. And the second option is 13, 36, 33. Third option is 14, 39, 56. The last option is 14, 36, 52. So these are the given four options. So in the previous example, I think you understood the concept behind this given analogy. The same analogy is used for this example as well. So take 2 minutes, try to solve this example and find the correct option. In the previous example, we found the analogy. Yes, the numbers are like this, and then the number from this direction. How many numbers left from this direction? The same total number of numbers present in the pyramid were left from this direction. Okay, that was the analogy. Here also the same analogy is used. Try to get the correct option. Here I am having 12. I think you are solving. I think you got some part of the answer. So the same analogy is used as explained in the previous example. In the previous example, yes, we found the analogy as how many numbers were left from this direction. Those many numbers were left from this direction, and the number which are present at this place were written here. Okay, the same analogy is used for this example as well. I think 2 minutes enough for solving this question. I think some of you got part of answer. Try to eliminate options by using that part of answer and get correct option. Okay, let me solve this question. So I will take these numbers 12, 35, 6, colon, 18, 43, 24. Okay, this 12 you have to see in the pyramid pattern number. So 12, where is 12 located? So if you see carefully, in the first row I get 12. In the first row I can see this 12. Okay, 12 is located here. As I said, this problem is also using the same analogy as explained in the previous example. So in the previous example, this analogy, that is total number of numbers which are left from this direction, they are left from this direction, and they have written the numbers which are present at this place. Now I am having 12 here. How many numbers were left, or how many numbers are there before 12? 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 numbers. That means you have to leave 4 numbers from this direction. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So what we get after leaving 4 numbers? We get 80. Here I am having 12. Here I am having 80. So this is found here. Now go to next number, that is 35. Locate that 35 in the pyramid pattern. Where is 35 is present? 35 is present at second row. If you see this 35, yes, there are two numbers behind 35. There are 2 numbers behind 35. That means we have to leave 2 numbers from that direction, in this direction. Okay. There are 2 numbers from this side. Now 1, 2. I have to leave these 2 numbers, that is 44 and 23. And now I will get 43, and 43 is here. This 35 is modified as 43 using this analogy. In the same way, you can cross check for 6 and 24. Now I will go to the missing number. There is no need of cross checking these numbers. You can cross check these 2 numbers, that is 6 and 24. And now I will move to find the missing number using the same analogy that I explained for the previous example as well as for this example. So we have to find this missing number. Given numbers are 16, 41, 58. So we have to locate 16 in the pyramid pattern. So 16. Where is 16? Yes, 16 is present in the first row. If you see it, yes, 16 is located here. So what you have to see, after 16, how many numbers were present or how many numbers were left after 16? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. After 16, there are total 6 numbers were left. So that has to be used here. You have to leave 6 numbers in this direction. 6 numbers in this direction. Okay. 6 numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. After leaving these 6 numbers, I get 14. So 14 will be my first number. First missing number, 14. Even you can go with the options and try to eliminate wrong options. 14. My answer should start with 14. First option is starting with 14, so that may be my correct option. Second option is starting with 13. So this is the wrong option. Moving to third. Third is also starting with 14, so that may be my correct option. Moving to fourth. Fourth is also starting with 14, so that may be my correct option. Now moving to find the next missing number using this 41. Okay. Count or find this 41 in the given pyramid pattern. In the second row, we are going to get this 41. I think you can see this 41. Next step is you have to count total numbers which are left after 41. After 41. 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 numbers left after 41. So those many numbers should be left from this direction. How many numbers? 4 numbers. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. After leaving 4 numbers, which number I am going to get? I am going to get 37. So 37 is my next missing number. Now we can go to options. So first option is having 37 as second number. So this may be correct. Already it is second option eliminated. There is no need of checking that. Moving to third option. Third option is having 39. I should get 37. So this is also a wrong option. Now moving to fourth option. Fourth option is having 36. What I should get? I should get 37. So this is also a wrong option. Now I left with only one option. This is the first option. And this is the right option. So out of 4 options, you eliminated 3 options. Then there is no need of cross-checking or solving the complete question. Just go with the remaining option. That is, in this case, it is the first option. So the first option will be right option. So this is how we solve this example. Now I will move to problem number 35.